In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete blank rows in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet is full of empty gaps, I'll show you a fast and reliable way to clear them out so your data looks clean and is easier to work with. We'll cover a quick method for a few rows and a time-saving approach for large sheets, and I'll share a couple of tips to avoid accidental mistakes along the way. If you only have a handful of blank rows, the fastest approach is to select them directly. Hold down Control on Windows or Command on a Mac and click the row numbers for each blank row you want to remove. You can pick non-adjacent rows this way. Once they're all selected, right-click on any of the highlighted row numbers and choose Delete Selected Rows. That removes those rows entirely and shifts everything up. If you accidentally select the wrong row, don't worry. Press Undo to restore it. This method is perfect when you can see the empties and there aren't many to deal with. If your sheet has dozens or hundreds of blanks, don't delete them one by one. Instead, highlight your data range first, including the header row if you have one. This keeps the filter focused on just your table. Turn on a filter using the toolbar funnel icon or by going to the Data menu and choosing Create a Filter. Next, open the filter drop-down on the column you rely on to indicate whether a row has data, typically a key column like an ID, name, or date. Click Clear to uncheck everything, then select only blanks. Now, your sheet shows only the rows where that column is empty, which usually means those rows are empty or irrelevant to your data set. With only the blanks visible, select all those rows by clicking the first row number, then shift-clicking the last. Right-click and choose Delete Selected Rows. This removes the filtered blank rows from the sheet entirely. Finally, turn the filter off to bring your full dataset back into view. You should now see a neat, gap-free table. As a quick check, scroll through your data to confirm everything looks aligned and nothing important was removed. If something doesn't look right, undo immediately. That's all there is to it. Use direct selection for a few empties, and use filters to isolate and remove large batches of blank rows instantly. Your spreadsheet will be cleaner, easier to read, and ready for analysis.